At Concilio, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of communications for the built environment, which is why I'm delighted to announce today we launched Concilio Intelligence, where we will combine the human insights of our team with the latest AI-powered solutions to continue to deliver for you. AI is here and it is rapidly changing the world. In the same way that social media gave many people a voice for the first time, AI now enables people to research, contribute and engage in ways that were unthinkable even just 1 year ago. We know this can be daunting, and you may still be figuring out what AI means for your daily work, let alone its impact on consultation and political engagement. At Concilio, we are here to join you on this journey of discovery through Concilio Intelligence, which combines advanced technologies with the insight of our experienced consultants to deliver more efficient analysis, clearer strategy, and responsive engagement. Underpinning this is our Circle methodology, Concilio's AI-powered framework that combines data, strategy, and human expertise. By curating, interpreting, responding, communicating, learning, and evaluating, we turn complex information into meaningful strategic action. This ensures that our work is produced quickly, with more efficiency, and with higher quality than the traditional ways of doing things is allowed. Crucially, we are also doing so responsibly, always providing our oversight for our AI ethical framework. I am excited about how AI will enable us to continue to evolve our business and ensure that we remain at the forefront of the most innovative engagement and political intelligence gathering. Join us on the journey as Concilio Intelligence redefines how we consult, communicate and connect with communities, decision makers and with each other.